Hey, what's up, guys? This is Guillermo Auto doing a dry belt replacement on a 2010 Dodge Charger. I believe it's 3.5. Basically, your tension is right here, your tensioner. There's a square hole on the bottom of that, and it's kind of like this. It's what a ratchet is, pretty much, without the socket. I drew myself a little map of what the pulleys look like, just so when I put it together, I could have it. So you take your ratchet, preferably a long one, put it to the on setting, and go ahead and put it down here on the tensioner. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull this slowly. Don't do it fast, do it slowly, and then the tension will start to release. Now when this tension releases, that's when you can pull the belt off the pulleys. Pull the belt off of a pulley that's a smooth pulley. There's pulleys on here with lips. They'll be harder to pull off of. If there's no smooth pulley around, you can still get it off of one that has lips on the pulley, like this power steering. It's not really too much harder. You just might have to put a little more muscle in getting it off. But basically, once you get it off one pulley, you'll be able to get it off all the other pulleys. Just be patient with it and get it one by one. We'll go ahead and pull this out through the top. Or the bottom, I guess, is either way. Get yourself a new one. This one happens to be from the dealership, and this is the part number. And go ahead and match it up. Make sure that the lengths are pretty much the same. You might not be able to tell like exactly just by holding it together, but you should get a good idea. Alright, when you have the belt off, it's a good idea to spin all these, make sure they don't grind or they're seized. The tensioner and the idler should spin. Something like the power steering pump, it might spin or not. The crank definitely won't spin. You know, some may or may not spin, but if one is like kind of grinding, you'll know when you feel it. Let's get this belt started. Start to route it. This is how I'm going to do it. And then basically I'm going to probably do the alternator last. When I pull the pulley back, I'll try to stretch the belt and put it on the alternator. There could be an easier pulley to do it on, but this is just what I'm going to do. So as you can see, I'm going to pull this slowly, and then I'll pull the belt over the alternator. And I have it pretty much resting on all the other pulleys already. So I did it, I pulled it. Sorry I couldn't really show you, I had to have both hands to do it. But once you get it on, make sure the belt isn't like halfway hanging off a pulley. It's easy to miss. Just go ahead and check it. And when you go to start it, do a bump start. I'll show you what I mean. So you just want to start it just for a second, just to bump start it, and then if the belt's not lined up, then it'll fall off. If it's not, then it's good.